Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we are going to learn and know about mega farming. Mega farming refers to a large-scale industries in agricultural operations that produce a huge quantities of crops or livestock. These operations can cover thousands of acres and may involve the use of advanced technologies and techniques to maximize production. One of the main advantages of mega farming is that it can help to increase the efficiency and reduce costs. By using advanced technologies and techniques, mega farms can often produce higher yields of crops or livestock than traditional farms and can do so at a lower cost per unit. Mega farms can also help to meet the growing demand for food around the world, with the global population projected to reach 9 billion by 2050. There is a need for increased food production to meet the needs of a growing population. However, there are also some challenges associated with the mega farming. One of the biggest challenges is that the environmental impact of these operations. Mega farms may use a large amount of water and the other resources and may produce a significant amount of pollution. And another challenge is that the impact on rural communities. Mega farms may require significant amounts of land and their resources, which can displace the small farmers and other local businesses. They may also rely on the temporary or migrant labor, which can have negative social and economic impact on the local communities. In conclusion, mega farming is a trend that is changing the face of agriculture around the world. While there are some advantages to these operations, there are also significant challenges that they need to be addressed. As we move forward, it will be important to find ways to increase food production while minimizing the negative impacts of mega farming. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the more interesting videos on agriculture sector. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.